Dear students of class 5 subject English SVT vocation pack book page number 19 we have second comprehension. It is about survival in ancient Egypt, यानी जो कदीम ज़माने में मिस्र के लोग थे वो कैसे सर्वाइव करते थे। तो ये मैंने आपकी सहूलत के लिए उसको हाईलाइट भी कर दिया है कि यहाँ से आप क्वेश्चन के आंसर इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन आल्सो सी दिस Watch QR code to see how Egyptians made paper from papyrus plant. Papyrus plant से कैसे Egyptian paper बनाते थे, you can watch. On book page number 21 you will solve the MCQs. First of all you will read the comprehension and that it is very easy to solve it because all the answers are in the comprehension. So dear student, on book page number 22 of summer vacation task we have the questions related to the comprehension number 2. Here we have question number 1 about how the river Nile helped the Egyptian in survival. Question number 2, and after that we have a critical question about the question is how is the ancient Egyptian shudder different from modern water pumps and how are they similar? The ancient Egyptian shudder used human power to lift water, while modern pumps use machines or electricity. Both helps to move water for farming and daily needs. Dear student, on vacation pack subject English class 5 book page number 23, there we have parts of speech. There is a sentence given to you and underline the words, and you will tell either it is proper noun, adjective, adverb, etc. Just like that, the second one is the flood water also left behind rich dark soil called black land. So underline the word rich and dark, these are adjectives, and black land is a proper noun. Same, it is very easy to solve. Here the fisherman worked hard to catch enough fish for everyone. Here hard is adverb because it is modify the verb, so it is hard is adverb and catch is verb. So you will solve it by yourself. After that, on book page number 24 you will write the definitions of all kinds of noun. You can take help from workbook page number 30, learn it by heart, and then write here on book page number 25. Dear student, on book page number 25 we have the topic adverb, and here are the adverb in the boxes: accidentally, excitedly, always, quickly, finally, usually, and gently. And you will write here on the page according to the situation or according to the condition and where the adverbs are used, just like I have written on it. You will read the whole sentence and then it is very easy to write the adverbs from the box. And after that you have the question: choose any adverb from the box above and use it in a sentence of your own. Just like that, I have chosen always, and it means I always do my work in time, and this is my sentence. On book page number 26 we have prepositions and conjunctions, just like box near, by, into, between, around. इसको आपने देख के according to the sentence इसको complete करना है. इसी तरह यहाँ पे conjunctions दी हुई हैं boxes में, and, but, so और because, तो इसको आपने use करना है. उसके बाद choose any one word from boxes. You can choose from this box and that box. दोनों में से आपने कोई भी एक choose करना है, जैसे मैंने around choose किया हुआ है, and you will write the sentence of your own. Just like that, I have written here: around there is a beautiful garden around the school. Dear student, on book page number 27 we have tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense, present continuous tense, and past continuous tense. Here are the definitions and examples as well. You will read it and understand, and after that you will solve your brackets also given here, and it is very easy to use the form of verb according to the tense. Just like that, here they have written present tense. So she writes a letter to her brother every Sunday. So this is book page number 27, and on book page number 28 we have also select the correct form of verb from the given options. Okay, here I have given you the instruction just like that. Here they have written last night, so it means that we have to use past tense, watched. After that we have the question, rewrite each sentence in the given tense. जो आपको टेंस दिया गया, आगे बताया गया, उसके मुताबिक आपने लिखना है. जैसे यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस है, द कैट चेस्ड द माउस इन द हाउस. सो उन्होंने आगे क्या है, रीराइट इन फ्यूचर टेंस. तो हम इसको फ्यूचर टेंस में लिखेंगे, द कैट विल चेस द माउस इन द हाउस. इस तरह से आपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करके अपना पूरा सॉल्व कर लेना है एसपीटी. अब उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा है, राइट 3 sentences ऑफ योर ओन चूजिंग डिफरेंट tenses. One is present tense, in one past and one future. Just like that I have choose the word read, verb read. I read storybooks, it is present. I read storybooks, it is past. I shall read storybooks, it is future. So मैंने इनको तीनों tenses में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है एक ही सेंटेंस को. इसी तरह आपने कोई भी अपना पसंद का चूज़ कर लेना वर्ब, और उसको आपने तीनों टेंसेस में, प्रेजेंट टेंसेस में, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, पास्ट इंडेफिनेट और फ्यूचर इंडेफिनेट में इसको लिखना है. ऑन एसवीटी बुक पेज नंबर 29, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एक्टिविटी दैट रीड द फनी स्टोरी रिटन इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस एंड रीटाइट पास्ट टेंस. ये प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में लिखी हुई है, इसको आपने पास्ट में चेंज कर देना है. पहले आपने ना सारे फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स को अंडरलाइन कर लेना है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू राइट इट इन पास्ट टेंस. इस चेजिंग को हम चेस्ड में बदल देंगे. सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ होगी ना, इज़ वॉचिंग को वॉच्ड में बदल देंगे. लाफिंग को लाफ्ड में बदल देंगे. इज़ स्लीपिंग को स्लिप्ड में बदल देंगे. एंड बम्पिंग को बम्प्ड में बदल देंगे. इज़ फॉलिंग को हम फेल डाउन कर देंगे. ब्रेकिंग को ब्रोक. नाउ को यस्टरडे. इज़ हाइडिंग को हेड. तो इस तरह से हम पूरा अपना पैराग्राफ चेंज कर लेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दैट आई हैव रिटन हेयर, द डॉग चेस्ड इट्स टेल इन सर्कल्स. द कैट वॉच्ड द डॉग फ्रॉम द सोफा एंड लाफ्ड. सडनली the dog slipped on the carpet and bumped into the table. The was कहते हैं ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में, और वेस कहते हैं अमेरिकन एक्सेंट में. बोथ आर करेक्ट. The was fell down and broke into pieces. Yesterday the dog hid under the chair. So इस तरह से आपने पैराग्राफ को चेंज कर देना पास्ट टेंस में. On book page number 30 we have picture description. Look at the picture, then write a story using past continuous tense. Past continuous tense में हमने इस picture को describe करना है. Subject was verb plus ing form plus object. Our rescue in progress I have written here for you. Just like that you can use your own sentences according to the description that you have seen in the picture. I have written, there was a man who was getting stuck on the branch of the tree and another boy was shouting for help. The owner's cat was crying while looking at the owner who was sitting on the branch. It was also trying to climb up. Some people were calling the rescue team to save the man. 2 rescuers were running toward the man. Because the ladder was falling down, the rescuers were helping the man during the incident. So this is your picture description activity. After that we have creative writing. Creative writing, here they have written a little paragraph that if imagine that you and your friend are exploring a jungle and when suddenly you realizes you are lost. कि आप अपने दोस्त के साथ जंगल में गए हैं और आपको महसूस हुआ कि आप खो गए हैं, अकेले रह गए हैं. द ट्रीज आर टॉल, द एनिमल्स आर वॉचिंग एंड द सन इज सिटिंग. You have no phone, no map, no way to call for help. How will you survive? यानी कि आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप किस तरह सर्वाइव करेंगे. यहाँ पे उन्होंने सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं, उनको पहले हमने अपने अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर लेवल उसको सॉल्व करना है. जो आपके जहन में आएगा उसको सेंटेंस लिखने हैं, फिर उसको आपने नेक्स्ट पेज पे पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज कर देना है एक पैराग्राफ. What do you see around you? I see tall trees and animals. What will you eat and drink? I will eat berries and drink water, river water. Where will you sleep and what will you use to make your shelter? I will sleep under a tree and use leaves and branches for shelter. How will you make fire? I will hit two stones together to make spark for a fire. How will you find your way back? Will you wait for help or keep moving? I will wait for help. I will leave signs like arrows made of sticks and make flag of my shirt. ये जिस तरह से हम डिस्कवरी चैनल्स पर देखते हैं कि हाउ कैन सर्वाइव इन द वर्स्ट, के वर्स्ट में हम कैसे सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, उस तरह की एक्टिविटी है. आपने अपने मुताबिक इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करने हैं पेज नंबर 32 पे, और 33 के ऊपर आपने उसको फुली ऑर्गेनाइज कर देना है. पूरे जो आपने क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स दिए हैं ना, जैसे आई सी टॉल ट्रीज एंड एनिमल्स अराउंड मी, आई विल ईट बेरीज एंड ड्रिंक रिवर वाटर टू स्टे अलाइव, एट नाइट आई विल स्लीप अंडर अ ट्री एंड build a shelter using leaves and branches to stay warm. I won't make a fire by hitting two stones together to create sparks. I will wait for help and leave signs like arrows made of stick to show where I am. This is just a sample. You can use your own thoughts and you can use your own sentences. On book page number 34 they also have the same. If you have the long question answers, then you will able to write in both 33 and 34 pages. Last activity of subject English class 5 story writing. There give you the situation that one day at school I saw a loose brick on the wall. I pushed it and to my surprise there was a big hole behind. My heart beat fast, a secret tunnel. I looked around, no one was watching. I looked my flashlight and went inside. The tunnel was same, but as I moved forward it became bigger suddenly, and there is continuous dots there. You will first complete the story map, problem, build up, solution, beginning and ending. First you will write here according to your own story that you will make. अपनी पसंद की आपने स्टोरी बनानी है आगे से, जैसे मैंने बनाई थी कि I entered a hidden tunnel and without knowing the danger. Build up, I saw a box full of gold coins. How was the problem solved? I picked up all things and went out. Beginning इसकी मैंने लिखी थी I found many things like ancient decoration pieces. जिसका जो दिल करेगा वो उसको अपनी स्टोरी बनाएगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद what happened at the next? I sold all things and fulfilled my desires. फिर उसको आपने स्टोरी को कंप्लीट यहाँ से 1 डे से शुरू करके अपना जो आपने स्टोरी मैप बनाया है उसके मुताबिक पूरा का पूरा आपने लिख लेना है. जस्ट लाइक आई हैव रिटन ऑन इट एज अ सैम्पल फॉर यू. So student, this is the proper guideline for you. You can easily solve your SVT without any guideline now by yourself. Now enjoy your summer vacations and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.